saw in that data, and I'll show our viewers once again, that it's Tamil Nadu which at this moment is the one big state which isn't showing a trend line that is on a decline. In fact, in Tamil Nadu, if I call up the state trajectories, you can actually see the blue line still continuing to go up. So can you take us through the states where you think we still need to be concerned, states where we haven't reached the peak yet, and where do you think we can confidently say that the situation is getting much better?
Yeah, thanks Rahul for having me on the show, and it's great to be with the brightest minds in the world. So let me explain my own take on understanding whether we have passed the peak. The answer lies in where the peak is. So if we are referring to the peak only in the metros, in the urban areas, yes, probably we might have already crossed the peak, at least in the major metros. In the rural areas, according to me, we are peaking right now. And it might be a wrong thing to say that as a country we have gone beyond the peak, while just to give you some statistics, nearly 70 districts in the bigger states have more than 100% increase in monthly growth rate of the deaths. Same thing is happening in terms of cases. More than 70 districts in the bigger states have 100% case surge in the last 1 month. But Rahul, the problem here is these are probably the districts which are testing well in rural areas, and that's why they are reporting cases. There is gross underreporting of cases in rural areas because simply we do not have the kind of testing facilities in rural areas as we have in the urban areas. So right now I feel we should be redistributing our resources, both in terms of testing, early treatment and early isolation in rural areas, rather than getting into a phase where, yes, we need to do unlocking only in those areas which have probably crossed the peak, but in the areas where the surge is happening now, we need to have a graded approach in terms of how to address the rural areas differently, and how to address those states which are peaking now, as you clearly stated, Tamil Nadu, in a different way.
Okay.
If you see the kind of lockdown that we had, although we are not saying it, it is nearly nationwide lockdown in terms of every state going into that. So now the same strategy may not be the way forward. We need to be looking at urban, rural, and the states which had earlier surge compared to the states which are having surge now.
So let me now come to the second